Facts that you did not know. Fact number 1. Honeybees collectively fly about 3 times the distance to the moon and back to make 1 pound of honey. Fact number 2. The longest hiccuping spree lasted for 68 years, as recorded in the Guinness World Records. Fact number 3. The world's quietest room, an anechoic chamber at Orfield Laboratories in Minnesota, is so quiet that staying inside can cause hallucinations. Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more amazing facts.